Good day, adventurers, and welcome to another video of Fable Beard Company. I am the apprentice, and today we're going to be answering the question, how do you fix a patchy beard?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
So you've been growing out your beard for a while. Months, maybe even longer. And you're just a little concerned because you're finding a lot of patchy areas. Maybe this is your first beard and you just don't want to deal with patchy. You just already want to get to a nice, full, thick beard. Well, here's a couple of things that we're going to need to talk about in order to answer the question, how do you fix a patchy beard? First comment that I have on this is, are you using proper products? Are you using balm? Are you using oil? Do you have a good routine with those products? If you don't have a steady regimen that you have every morning and night, well, unfortunately, the patchiness isn't going to go away. When I first started growing out my facial hair, I had patchy cheeks. I mean, I still have it, but I had more patchy areas and, it just didn't go away because I didn't have a steady routine in the morning and at night. So if you are using proper products, then you'll have a healthy beard. And I always like to think that a healthy facial hair will grow quickly. Next, it's also good to keep in mind that there is no shame in trimming out the patchy areas. There have been plenty of times that I have, and haven't, that I've looked at my facial hair in a mirror and I've said, you know what, I'm just going to trim and shape up my facial hair to get rid of the patchy parts on my neck and the patchy parts on my cheeks. And you know what? After I do some trimming and do some shaping up, it still looks really good. I like how I look on both sides, and that's what we need. We just want to feel good about ourselves. But if you are still concerned about the patchy areas, we still recommend that you have a good regimen to try and grow those areas out. If you feel as though you've done all of these things that we've said and time just isn't on your side, then you can also go to a medical practitioner, look with a dermatologist. They will absolutely be able to tell you certain reasons that we cannot on why your facial hair just isn't growing in. It's important to understand that a lot of this is genetic, and we can't really control a lot of that. So please be patient with your facial hair. It's doing the best that it can, but a great way to assist it is to keep a healthy regimen and diet for your facial hair to help it grow out. Adventurers, we really hope that this video helped you and answered your questions. If you have any comments for us, please leave the comments down below. Like the video and subscribe if you have not. As we always say here at Fable, may your beards be forever blessed and fortune forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.